y'all kind of got to admit that one round of Dragon's Breath was kind of blah. So we're gonna try one. We got a little bit of Sonic Boom that's not fired off yet. 12 gauge was supposed to fire it, but it apparently doesn't do a very good job of it. So just for the hell of it, we're gonna shoot what's left of it with Dragon's Breath. This should be interesting, Pew Pew fans. Brian here in the dark. I'm handing him the shotgun. It is.
Thank you, sir.
It is in the tube, but it's not chambered yet.
Steve-O, you want this? Okay. Thank you, sir.
Right, it's not chambered yet. I think I'm aimed at it. Everybody ready? Here we go. I don't know if I'd get too close.
Well.
Yeah, I know. You got to be able to see. Y'all ready?
Yeah. Ready? Yeah. Ready? Yep.
I'm ready. Yep, do it.
Let her rip.
Let her rip, Tater Chip. That was actually pretty damn cool.
Wow.
That was actually pretty damn cool.
Ready.
We got fires again.
Hey, but I can't run now. I just caught my breath.
Ah, just walk it out.
Fair enough. Nope, she's gonna do it.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. I think yours went out. She was almost there and it went out. We set the field on fire. Smell that.
No, still didn't ignite all the powder.
Still didn't ignite all the powders. Seriously. That's just janky.